Hello and welcome back. Hope you're doing great. So, in this video, we will see how to create a player profile and link the same with our database. So, let's get started. So, this is our website admin. So, once you log in to admin, you just have to go to this where it says pop-up maker. Here, you have to click on create pop-up. Now, when you click on create pop-up, you will land here. You can ignore these notifications. These will not come next time. I've already rejected them. So this is pop-up name. This is this is the identifier at the back end. This will not be visible to the front end user. This is the headline which is shown on the pop-up. As it says, it is optional. So here, this on this editor, you can add all the details about the player B, just like name. This is very simple editor. This is you can use your common MS Word shortcuts also. For bold, you can write Control B. For italic, you can use Control I. For underline, you can have Control U. And similarly, you can use these buttons for the alignment. This is for the link, and for more options like colors, and then horizontal line, and then strike through, you can use these buttons. You can add more text, like whatever you want you can add here. If you want to add media, you can add media also from that add media button. You can upload new files from here. Pardon me for my English. And so in this way you can add details. Now when we scroll down, we have some triggering options. uh, right now in our case we don't need it, so let's hit on publish here. Once you hit publish, this pop-up will be live. And then let's go to all pop-ups where it says all pop-ups. Let's click here. So this here it is giving us a class name, css class, which is pop-up make dash 820. So why this is useful for us, we'll see in our next step. Our next step is to add this pop-up on our database. So let's go to database. So I'm not able to find that. Okay, so here is the link. Now you see, uh, we had copied that pop-up minus 820. So what we will do, so for player profile, B, we need to add that pop-up over here, profile column. So just to make the things quicker, I'll use Control D, duplicate, to copy this one, what which I had created earlier to demonstrate you, and I will paste this pop-up. Pop-up make 820, which is player B profile, which we created just now. And then when this is updated, what I'll do, I'll click on file, publish to web. No, no, this is not required. When you are done with it, when you are done with this, just click on save and wait for 5 to 10 minutes, and within 5 to 10 minutes this new update will be synced on the website, and you will see a pop-up on this second profile. So in this way we create we create the new pop-up, and then the profiles are updated. Let's go back to our website. There is one more way to create a pop-up, and that is using this button. Duplicate this. With this button, duplicate this, you will be able to create a pop-up with just a click of a button. So now we have player B pop-up already created, which is not published yet, but it is created. And so let's edit this. Now I'll make it player C. Player C. His name is player C. It is 22. Position is PG. About is same. So I have added a couple, some placeholder details just for illustration. And once again, let's click on publish. Once when we publish, this pop-up will be live now. And then let's again go to all pop-ups, where we will see the pop-up class name, that is 822. So we will once again go to our database, C2C database, which is popup 822. So I'll once again use Control D here, and to edit, 822. I don't need to do anything else. It will be sync automatically. Let's check now. So this is a scouting service where the table is published. Here it is. It is the button where all the details are shown. This is the pop-up that we created right a couple of minutes back. So this is how it works. And if you have any issues, queries, problems, just let me know. I'm just your message away. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.